It is time now to start with the implementation of our future controllers. During this class, we are going to implement the index method for the category controller. As you may know, the index method is going to allow us, in this specific case, to obtain the list of all the categories of our system. As you may remember, we already have a category controller, but this category controller has a little problem, and it is that basically it is not using the implicit model binding, and we really want to use it instead of an ID. So what we are going to do is just to remove this original controller and create a new one using the implicit model binding automatically created with PHP Artisan. For this, let's go to our command prompt and issue make controller category controller that is going to be inside a category folder, and we have a resource controller, and finally we are using a model called category. With this, Laravel is going to automatically inject and use the category model as an argument for some of the methods of this controller. So just press enter, and we can see now the new structure here, and you can see that it is using directly the category model. So as you remember as well from our roots, we have that for categories we need all the methods excepting create and edit. So just go and remove create and edit. After this, we are done now to implement the index method. The index method is just going to obtain the list of all the categories. This can be done easily using the all method. And after that, we just need to return the list using the show all method. But remember that in order to use that method, we have to extend from API controller. So just modify this in order to extend and just return the show all method. Now at this point, we should be able to go and verify if it is working properly. We just need to use the get method to obtain the list of categories. So as you can see, it is working as expected, and we have all our categories in this list. We are done now, and we can continue with a different method in the next class.